Friction. Friction, you might recall, is affected by the types of surfaces involved and how hard those surfaces are pushed together. The more quickly and the harder you push your hands together as you rub them, the more friction will be generated and the more heat will also be generated. Types of surfaces involved, right? We talked about this with the Port Bear. Ice is slippery. Ice, therefore, we probably already knew, has very little friction, so it's very easy to slip and fall on a smooth surface because it doesn't have very much friction. When we think about things like carpet or concrete or just asphalt, those are rougher surfaces. Those have more friction. Those are harder to, slip and fall on. Gravity is affected by both mass and distance, so we know that the greater the mass, then the greater the gravity. The greater the distance, then the less the gravity there will be. Weight, as you might recall from our conversation last week, is the measure of the force of gravity on an object, whereas mass is just the amount of matter in an object, and mass will remain constant, whereas weight will change depending on the gravity that object is experiencing. Then another just important thing to remember is that gravity is an attraction force. That is the reason why when things fall, like this guy with the basketball and the tennis ball, things always fall downwards because gravity is pulling everything towards the center of the earth.